Hey everybody, Dave with Crandall Office, and as you may have heard, we are expanding our building to help us grow and continue to provide the best remanufactured chairs out there. We wanted to give you a quick update on exactly where we're at, show you a little bit around, and kind of show you exactly why we are adding on to the building. We're really getting tight on space, so let's take a closer look. All right, so as you can see, we have a ton of chairs in this warehouse. We've got many thousands of chairs. We even have a couple thousand chairs off-site right now because we do not have the space that we need. We are continuing to grow both from a direct-to-consumer line as well as the Circular by Steelcase program, which we'll be telling you a little bit more about in the future. All right, so now we're outside taking a look at what we're doing. You can see the old building next to the expansion that we have next to it in the new color. That new color is going to get painted throughout the entire building. They are getting started on the other side of the building right now and painting to update the look of the building. The other thing I wanted to mention is we had to completely redo this entire truck dock. As you know, we work in chairs. Chairs are on wheels. If you're on a slanted truck dock, chairs roll. So we had to make this a much more flat surface so that we could load and unload chairs more easily, which is what you're seeing here. We're really excited being able to use this truck dock in addition to the other two that we have around the building. All right, so let's take a look inside the expanded space. All right, so let's take a look inside the new expanded space. Hopefully this key works. Hey, it works. All right, come on in. So as you can see, we got everything all built up. We've got walls on, we got a roof on. This space is going to have a 7,500 square foot mezzanine in here to just store chairs. So we are going to put as many chairs in this space as possible, which will clear up the other side of the building that we were looking at previously to hopefully expand our production capabilities and work on kind of reconfiguring how we're gonna be doing things. We're really spending a lot of time with a lean manufacturing consultant to increase our efficiency and make a better product across the board. We're huge on a continuous improvement and making a better product. We already set the bar high, but we want to continue to set that bar high. And so that's what we're doing with all of this. All right, I just want to end with a quick thank you to each and every one of you guys as customers. You guys are the reason that we're able to do what we're doing. We are so excited to be expanding and continuing to grow and continuing to produce awesome products. And you guys are the main and only reason that that is possible, so thank you guys. On top of that, we're gonna continue to keep you guys updated as we continue to work on and finish this expansion, and we'll keep you guys posted. We're really excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys all again. We appreciate you. Hey, are you recording? Yeah, of course you are, so this is all on video. That's perfect, okay.